Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! High five. Happy birthday. You're the best.
I'm not missing the cake.
Careful. Pay attention. You're going to spill over the side. Okay, that looks good. Let's pour it into our cake pans now.
Oh.
Nah. Danger. We're gonna do it with this.
Should I do?
First we're gonna put this one in, because this one's gonna take probably 40 minutes. Go ahead. The bottom of Elsa's dress.
So she's more higher. Because she's so big.
So big.
Not that. I'm taller than you.
My belly's bigger than yours. Your belly's bigger than mine. Your belly's sticking out more than mine. Are there any air quality warnings in Vancouver today?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Hey Google, how's the air quality in Vancouver, BC?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
I don't like it when you do that. Okay?
What's this?
Right?
I want to bake it too. 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 I want to bake it too.
Stop.
Whoa!
Stop it.
Stop it.
Hey Google, set timer for 4 minutes.
Second timer for 4 minutes.
That one takes
Starting
a long
now.
time.
Is it hot? Could I hold?
No, it's hot. Tastes like cake.
Draw something over there. Mommy, Sophia's hair is brown and stronger hair brown. I'm done the drawing.
For to bake the cake.
Who's gonna eat? Ruby?
Yup, just Ruby. Mommy and Daddy don't like fondant.
Ruby, you're gonna be huge.
You're gonna be the size of the cake, Ruby.
We're going to put some fondant over here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put this in the fridge need to be that perfect at all because we're gonna cover it with fondant. So we just need a layer. Looks kind of like a blue R2D2 now.
Yes. R2D2. And then thanks for the social card. And then they colored in. Daddy, look, a nurse's one.
Whoa, cool.
The one is nice and long.
Okay.
This is turning very long.
Ah, wow, good job.
How do you do? Do you know?
Yeah,
I can't
goes
wait.
pretty thin. You can make it as thin as like gyoza wrappers. It's super easy to work with, right?
Wow.
You move the cake to the middle. Okay. Ruby, look, it's a dress now! I don't want to make a mistake. I think this is where your skills come in. Once you cut it, you can't put it back on. Whoa, so cool, Ruby! I like the folds, that's cool. So then we have to decide what's the front, where's the most beautiful part. Let me take it away.
Yes. Okay, so
You want her, I guess, her hips to be.
that's it. That's it.
Should you go
Yeah.
down a little more?
No.
She can?
No.
Oh, really?
Okay, really long. But it can't go under. Kanekega kansei!
Lucy.
Urushi, terrible. Oishii.
Lucy. Yubi 誕生日おめでとう。
Kansei!
Oh!
That's two. There's two.
There's a two. Yes.
Mine have two.
Thank you. Whoa! Let's put your wand over here for now. So you don't use it. Okay, you gotta open it. Who's this from? Who's it from? It doesn't say. I think it's from Grandma and Grandpa. There you go. What is it?
A makeup bag!
Oh!
Yes! That's what I wanted!
Cool stuff on it. It's sparkly and pink. Oh my gosh!
Now which one is in here?
I think that's from Mommy and Dad. What is it? Little Mermaid bubble machine?
I only got 2. And a makeup box.
And what's this?
New.
Another card from Oma.
Yes.
Daddy read it for you. Is that a unicorn?
A unicorn.
Whoa, sparkly unicorn! That's so cool.
It's a unicorn, and then she's wearing a Christmas tree.
That's so cool. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ruby. No, wait. Happy birthday to you. You have to wait. You have to close your eyes. And you have to make a wish before you blow out the candle. So close your eyes. Close your eyes and think of something you want to happen. But don't tell us. Yay! High five. Happy birthday. You're the best. I love your necklace.
Thank you.
It's gorgeous. How was it? It's good? You like fondant? Oh. Okay, let's put her arms up. And then Daddy gonna cut a big slice of cake for Ruby. Ready? Oh, her cake fell off. That's okay.
Could I eat it?
No.
Why?
Because I want you to eat the cake more than the fondant. Alright, sorry Elsa. We gotta cut your dress.
Pretend you're sorry, even if you're right. You know how to make me worry. I can tell you
Rainbow inside.
Whoa, rainbow cake inside.
different kinds of color.
Whoa.
Why am I feeling like
Ruby, don't eat all the fondant. Oh my gosh. So much cake.
I want that one.
I'm gonna give you this one.
Why?
So it's the best part. There you go. Mommy and Daddy's pieces.
No, you're going to sit on it.
I'm not gonna sit on her. Gonna hang out with Zosan. Is it good? Daddy didn't put any simple syrup in the cake.
That's good.
I thought Mommy wouldn't like it. Not bad, eh? That's pretty good.
Not bad?
Not too sweet. It's sweet. It's not like fun. I had some fun. Ruby, don't eat all the fondant. It's just sugar. How is Elsa's dress taste?
Good.
Okay.